Oh, I'm on. Yep. Oh. Yeah, he's running. Shovelnose Shark. I think I'm on. Yep, I'm on. Oi. Yep. Salmon and Harley's hooked up on a big fish. Just want to measure it at about what, 60, 65? Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, Archie.
Yes. There we go. Nice little bream. First fish of the day. Here we go. Yep. I think it's another bream. Yeah, it's another bream. Second bream of the day. Here we go. This one's heavy and lethargic. What?
I don't know.
Oh, yep.
Oh yes!
Oh my god, kingfish! Alright, about to release the old kingfish. What was he, about 50, 55 centimeters?
Yeah.
Let's go. Shovelnose Shark. Oh. Have a look at that. Look at that underside. Got the mouth down there. It's like a half stingray, half shark. We'll chuck him back just here. Ready? Off he goes. We got a shovel nose. Second shovel nose of the day.
Huh?
Whoa.
Australia's rarest shark.
Hold his nose. What do you want to do?
Yeah, I might go. Yeah, bend him up, so.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Whoa. Look at that. Whoa, nice. Oh, I'm on. Yep. Oh. Yeah, he's running. He's coming up.
This one got worse before us.
Yep.
Ready? Yep, got him.
Nice.
Two.
Holy moly.
Oh, this one's got.
Are we going on the livey? Lockie, we going on the bigger on the livey.
We got a big Atlantic salmon, and Harley's hooked up on a big fish. This one measured in at about, what, 60, 65?
Yeah, 65.
A bit bigger than the kingy.